Hi guys, today we will talk about how to delete Wattpad account permanently. So watch the video till the very end and delete the account permanently. First open the application. Once you will get access to the application, you will see this kind of interface, and if you take a look on the right top, you can see your profile icon by which you sign in. Click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, again click on the setting icon, which is on the same top. Now here, you will find multiple options, but you cannot find the option of delete account. So scroll up and tap on the first option, profile and account. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of close account. Click on it, and once you will click on it, it will be redirected to your mobile browser. And here you have to sign in with that account by which you create your Wattpad. Just like I sign up with my Google, so that's why I will select my Google account. Now I need to do the same thing. I need to click on my profile icon and tap on the option profile. Now click on the setting icon, and here tap on your profile and account option. Scroll down, and here you can see the option of close. Click on it. Now here you have to close your Wattpad account, and here you have to choose a reason by which you want to delete your account. Just like I will select this, now tap on the option, continue. Here you can read everything. Your personal info will be deleted, and scroll down, click on the option I confirm, and I want to close my account, and then click on option close account. Once you will click on the option close account, within the next 24 hours, your account will be permanently deleted from Wattpad, and you will not get access. Think carefully, and if you want to delete, then click on the option close account and delete your account.